Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video, please excuse the fact that my hair is just a mess and that I am sitting here in my cozy dressing gown. I basically just wanted to do a really quick tutorial for you. It is using the Nudie Patootie palette from Aylierosebusiness, so I just wanted to use that again. If you're probably going to be sick of it by the time I get sick of it, because I absolutely adore the palette. I'm wanting to do like pretty much every different look you can from it, I want to do. So this is just a really quick tutorial. I'm not talking over it or anything, it's just my basic standard kind of way that I've been doing tutorials lately. So it's not one of my beginner series, it is literally just a sort of quick fire video. So I really hope you enjoy it. If you do, I would love if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check the little bell so you're notified of my next upload, and I think that's pretty much it. So I will just let you carry on and watch the video, and I will see you on either Monday, Wednesday or Friday. Bye.